In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Bunq to Apple Pay. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first method is using the Bunq app. So launch the Bunq app on your iPhone. Now navigate to the Cards tab within the app and select the card you want to add to Apple Pay. Now tap the Add to Apple Pay button, so this should be an option within the card settings or details page. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. So you might need to verify your card through a code sent via SMS or email. Now once the verification is complete, your Bunq card will be added to Apple Pay. The next method is using the Apple Wallet app. So launch the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone, tap the plus icon or plus button at the top right corner of the screen. Now select the option to add a debit or credit card. Next is you want to either scan your Bunq card using your iPhone's camera or manually enter the card details. Now follow the prompts to verify your card. So you might receive a verification code via SMS or email. Once verified, your Bunq card will be added to Apple Wallet and ready for use with Apple Pay. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.